Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here to organize an activity of extempore. This activity is divided into two rounds. First round is introduction round and second round is final round. Actually we plan to provide a platform for the students of class 9 to 12 so that they can showcase their talent. So today we are going to provide you the video for the extempore that is based on introduction round. So let's start today's video. Hope you will enjoy this video. And today we have our special guest Meenakshi Sarkar ma'am, who has the teaching experience of about 18 years of reputed school of NCR. So Meenakshi ma'am, please introduce yourself to our students of class 10.
I'm Meenakshi Sarkar.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm from SMM Scottish School, Noida, from the Department of English, and I have more than like 18 years of experience in teaching English in schools in Delhi and NCR. And I really want to appreciate the initiative that has been taken up today. It is really going to help you out for your oratory skill, developing of your speaking skill, and presence of mind as well, dear students, all of you, I guess. And you all are excited, might be, for this event today that is there. And all the best to each one of you. To the
Yes, ma'am.
organizers, Chaya ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to be part of this extempore competition.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you
Thank you.
for being with us, ma'am, today. And
My
you have
pleasure.
taken your time for us. It's
Yeah.
very good. And now
My
we will,
pleasure, ma'am. My pleasure.
yeah, it's my pleasure too, ma'am. Okay, so today we will start our activity. Those students who turned off their camera, please turn on your camera, beta. You are not supposed to turn off your camera during the activity. Remember it, all of you, beta, please. Harshit. Okay, now children, I am telling you your name. You just note down. Meenakshi ma'am, I am sending you the pic of this name list. Okay, and today we have only the means introduction round. Children are supposed to speak in English 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. So least time is 2, Meenakshi ma'am, and max to max time is 3. So they are not supposed to take the time more than 3 and not less than 2. Okay, ma'am. So this round is based on their introduction and what they want to be in their life. So whatever the name I am telling the student, they are supposed to speak in that serial order. Okay. So I am taking the name Himanshu Jha, Anu Mourya, then Yashi Agrawal, Anjali Jha, Arman, Nikhil, Hariom, Harshit, Ashish Paul, Saloni Singhal, and then Amit Singh.
No, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Mansh Kumar Jha. I am studying in class 10. I was brought up in Bihar and I was born in Bihar and brought up in Delhi. Currently, I live in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. My father. My father is a journalist and my mother is a homemaker. I also have my elder brother class who is studying in class 10th. My parents and guardians encouraged me in my education. My hobbies are playing or watching cricket, gaining knowledge, and I also love to learn about social studies and study in especially in political science and geography. I know 4 to 5 languages, but I can speak only 3 languages. That is our national language Hindi, official language English, and my mother tongue Mathli. Um, my mother tongue is Mathli, and two things are very important for me. That is first fitness, and the second thing is punctuality, time. These two things are very important for me. I believe in work and luck. I also believe in luck. My goal is to clear and crack the UPSC exam and to become IPS officer and serve my nation as a good civil servant. That's all about me. Thank you.
Yes, okay, beta. Now, the next student is Anu Moria.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Anu Arra. I study in class 10. Currently, I'm living in Ghaziabad. I was born on 20 November 2006. I am studying in Delhi Marthoma Public School. My father's name is Mr. Shripal Gardner and my mother's name is Miss Vijay Kumari, who is a housewife. And my hobbies are playing, singing, dancing, traveling, reading, and my goal is to crack UPSC and become IAS officer.
Yashi Agrawal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, respected teacher. My name is Yashi Akbar. I study in class 10 at Noida Public Senior Secondary School. I am 15 years old and my hobbies are to read books. I also love to sing and dance as well. And I know three languages very well, but I can speak two languages that are our official language English and our national language Hindi. My aim is to become a doctor. I know that it is not an easy task to be a doctor, but it is my ambition to treat the people who are not well and needy. And I really respect the doctors because they are the healers who extends their true services to their patients, regardless of any selfishness and the fear of catching infection. A doctor uh, to a doctor, their patients are very important to them, and to cure and treat them is always their priority. And to become a doctor, I am trying to do my best. For that, I used to study early in the morning, and for that, I will make sure that I will complete my studies and gain good marks. After that, I will crack the NEET exam and gain the degree. And in addition, about myself, I want to say that I also think that exercising and keeping ourselves healthy is very important because according to me, a healthy person can keep their mind calm and sharp and hence be able to gain more knowledge. And this is what I want to say about myself. Thank you all for listening.
Okay. Next name is Anjali Jha.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I'm Anjali Jha. I'm studying in class 10th, and I was born on 6 October 2006 in Bihar. And I have two siblings, one sister and one brother who loves me a lot and support me in everything. And my favorite subject is math and science. I like to do various things like playing that almost every people like to do. And I used to play games like cricket, football, chess, and badminton also. I used to read books while I'm free apart from the regular school books because sometimes it bores me to read the school books again and again. And also I used to play piano because it brings a positive effect on me and also relax my mind. My future aim is to become an engineer because I want to know about machines, how they are working, on what principles they are working, and I also want to know about the universe as there are so many mysterious things present in the universe like black hole, wormholes, and many more. And I have a great interest in knowing about the quantum physics. And one of my dream is to help poor people because they are the one who suffers a lot. And I want to help them to overcome the problems. And according to me, helping poor people is the best thing in my life to do. And thanking you all for having the patience to listen about me a few words. Thank you.
Well done. Yes, well done, Anjali. And next student is Arman.
Yes, yes. Good morning, respected teachers. I'm Arman Kumar. I'm 15 years old and I'm 10th grade. I have good knowledge in Indian and European history, and of course, I'm passionate about learning physics and history. And I actually love to code. Um, I want to become an AI specialist as world is very as growing very fastly, and we humans have grown so much as a society. I think AI would be the last human discovery in the field of technology, which would be solely created by humans with very little help from machines. Uh, and I think AI is the best way to convert my dreams into reality. And my father is also an embedded engineer, which used to fantasize, which I was always fascinated him doing his works in the field of technology. And I really want to help accomplish UN 17 SDGs or Sustainable Development Goals, and that would eventually help us to revive our environment. And the main goal in my life is to be a person who plays a vital role to make India the next superpower and to make a very strong base for it. Uh, for that, I've started my own startup called Zeepak.in, which helps students and school students and college students to get part-time jobs, internships, and assistance in the field in which they want to pursue it. I also take parts in internships and boot camps, as I've just completed my boot camp in uh, Intel, a processor making company, and I also worked in a Teraflop company as a graphic designer. As I made pamphlets and advertisements for them, and I also take parts in extracurricular activities and social works, which make me develop as a human, and debating national, international topics and current affairs, playing video games, and making theories are the activities which I like to do in my free time. And as you can say that these are my hobbies. Thank you very much, ma'am, and I would like to thank CR Chemistry YouTube channel to giving me a stage to introduce myself. Thank you.
Very good, Beta. Now, after him, after Arman, we have Nikhil. Nikhil.
Good morning, teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, my name is Nikhil Rai. I am studying in class 10th of Noida Public School. I am recently lived in Sector 51 Noida, but I am belong from Banaras. Come to my family background. My father name is Mr. Vinod Kumar Rai, and he is a manager of transport company. My mother name Mrs. Abhilasa Rai, and she is a homemaker. We are three siblings. My two elder sisters are studying in college. My hobbies are I am playing cricket and football. My favorite player Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni because I like his behavior and outstanding player. My favorite subject science and math. I like mostly chemistry and physics.
Yes, next one is Hariom.
First of all, good morning to respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Hariom. I am a student of class 10th and I am 15 years old. I like playing games as usually everyone likes to. As well, I like reading books, a kind of motivational and informational books. I have interest in reading about current affairs, newses about our surrounding, and I like about reading scientific research papers. I like basically political science, and I want to be an ICE officer in my life. For that, I need to crack UPSC, and for that, I'm preparing from now also. I'm watching online some videos about that, and I'm working upon that. I like reading. I like to know about my surrounding, and I like to know about the new things, and I like to share information with everyone. I like the daily newses and something new which I get to know from the surrounding. I like to share it with everyone. Then I want to also my scope is also to help the children in study and want to just develop a surrounding where the children can learn in a better way because nowadays we have seen that how badly the COVID-19 has impacted to the education system of our country. Uh, Due to this, the children are not able to study properly, and especially the children belonging to villages, small towns, and background and backward areas, and children belonging to the daily wages, they are not able to get the studies. And also they are losing the interest in studies. So my only hope is also to just help them, because they are the future generation of our country, and it's a kind of very long impact on our country. If they are not able to study, it will impact our country in a very long term. So I'll also like to help them, and as well I'll encourage the other peoples to help them and make the quality of education more better. Thank you.
Thank you, Vita. Ashish Paul.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for giving me a chance to talk about myself. I am Ankush Pal, son of Mr. Arjun Pal and Mrs. Vandana Pal. I am pursuing in class 10, and in last previous year I scored over 85% marks in class 9, and by this result I have got a third position in rank. I am from Faridabad, that's situated in Haryana, in South region, and that shares the boundary between Delhi and Haryana. And my hobby is to doing the research of a myth that is little bit means very strangely, and it is means very popular in India. Like I am recently researching Bangal in Rajasthan. That is a very means horror spot. That means no one will go on that course. So I would like to discover them too, but which is but here in that course that nobody will go on that course. And sometimes I also want to play a video game. I want to become a game developer in my life, because from childhood I have played so many video games in PC and Android. I can tell you that I have played over 1,000 video games in my life, and by that experience, I want also made to a video game like a legend video games like Mario, GTA series, and many other super blockbuster video games that help me to contribute in game industry. Now I'm also learning some programming language like C Sharp and designing the game that help me to reach the goal of my making a game development. That's it about my introduction.
Okay. Yes, now Saloni.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends who all are present today here. I am Saloni Singhal from class 10th, and my father name is Mr. Devinder Kumar Singhal. My mother name is Mrs. Babita Singhal. My hobbies are and my hobbies is to play badminton, cycling and dancing. My ambition is to become an English teacher in my future because it makes a positive difference among the children in the future, and also it is my mother's dream and my dream also. And I want to teach the children who cannot study and who do not have money to study. I want to study them in free, and also it is a great job for.
Okay, now Amit Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all are well in this COVID situation. Today, I am going to share my introduction with you all. My name is Sumit Singh, and I am 15 years old, and I am studying in 10th class. And my father name is Mr. Lakshman Singh, and my mother name is Mrs. Prema Devi. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a housewife. So I live in Khoda Colony, Ghaziabad, and my hobbies are singing, reading, dancing, and playing cricket. And my dream is to be a electronic engineer. I hope that you like my introduction. Thank you.
So these are the student Minakshi ma'am who today took part in this activity. And now you are the judge of this activity. So you have to eliminate some students if you want, and how these students have taken part, how was the means
Yeah,
their
it was
activities.
actually really nice that these children, they have taken the courage to take this up and come up and speak. That is really they need this applause. I mean, just shunning off the hesitation and coming at this platform and speaking, and they know that the entire thing is going to be just uploaded and all. Yeah.
Yes, even I think we will inform you by tomorrow the result, so that you can prepare yourself for the final round, because we are planning for the final round for the next Sunday. And I would like to share here that we will be online, means we will telecast the live that session. So hope you will enjoy that one, and we will meet on the Sunday. Okay, and thanks for being with us, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay.